You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to scrape YouTube video text using Beautifulsoup in Python. In this program I will use three packages. First one is request, second one is BS4 means Beautifulsoup, and third one is pandas. I have already installed all three packages. Here my editor is Anaconda Spider. Let's start coding. First of all, we will import all three packages. First package is request. Second, from BS4 import Beautifulsoup class. Here, third package is pandas. We will use pandas for creating data frame and exporting data in a Excel file. Next, we will ask YouTube video URL from the user by using input function and save that URL in a variable named URL. Next, we will send this URL as an HTTP request to YouTube server, and the server will extract all the information related to that video, and we save that data in a variable that's name is getURL. Next, by using HTML parser and Beautifulsoup function, we will parse this text data into HTML text. Next, we will search all meta tags and save all these tags in a string named data. Here I am using function find underscore all. Next, we will print this metadata and then run the program. Before running the program, we will copy the URL of any YouTube video. I have already opened a video, so here we will first copy the URL and then come back to our Anaconda Spider and then run the program. In output window, first of all we will enter the URL, and then you can see a huge text data. From this text we will extract our video text. Here there are so many lines that hold the video text. Each line has three important keywords. First one is meta, second one is content, and third one is property. Property equal to OG video tag. We will extract all these lines. Now there is no need of these two lines, so I am just disabling these two lines. Next, we will search only such metadata that holds text. So first of all, we will create a blank Python list named T. Next, by using for loop, we will search all such line that hold text, and such line is stored in a variable X. Here I am also using function find underscore all for searching. In parameter, we will pass keywords. Our first keyword is meta. Next, second keyword is property. Property equal to OG video colon take. This is the property which we will find out. Next, in each tag line we will search the content. So for searching content we will write x.attrs.get and in bracket we will search the keyword content. The result of this line will be appended to our blank Python list T. Now we have scraped all the tags and stored these tags in our Python list T. Next we will store this list into a data frame. So first of all we will create a blank data frame, that's name is df. This data frame has only one column and the heading of that column is tags. Next we will insert our Python list T into this data frame. Now we will export this data frame into an Excel file by using toExcel function. The name of Excel file is mytext.xlsx. Here I am not specifying any path, so this file will be stored in the same folder where our source code file is stored. At last we will print successful message, that is all tags scraped. We have created the program. Now run the program and enter the video URL in output window and then press the button. After some time we have got the successful message, all tags scraped. It means we have created an Excel file. Now open the Excel file mytext. In Excel file you can see all the video tags of YouTube video. Now I am ending this tutorial for today. Thank you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Computer Coding Class.